Hello student, Standard 8 English Medium, Subject Maths, Chapter number 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 6. In this question, Arif took a loan rupees 80,000 from a bank at a rate of the interest 10% and 1.5 years, and interest is counted compounded annually एंड हाफ ईयरली। तो मीन्स दो तरीके से यहाँ पर हमें इंटरेस्ट काउंट करना है स्टूडेंट्स, जिसमें एनुअली और सेकंड थिंग से हाफ ईयरली। तो दोनों में कितना डिफरेंस है वो हमें फाइंड करना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ हियर वी फाइंड कंपाउंडेड एनुअली। सो द प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ऑफ पी इक्वल्स टू 80,000 रुपीज, टाइम equals to 1.5 years and rate of interest equals to 10%. Amount for 1 year is in the formula of A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n power. Now if we put the value in this formula, value of P 80,000 rupees in bracket 1 plus R upon 100, that means 10 upon 100 and raised to its power is 1. Okay student, now if we simplify, then here 0 is cut, so 1 by 10 comes, and it simplify with the plus 1, so 10 1 ja 10 plus 1 upon 10 means 11 by 10 and it's raised to 1 power. So 80,000 multi 11 upon 10, then it's come amount 88,000 rupees. Now on it half year interest, so 88,000 multi 10% multi 1 by 2 and divide by 100 also. So the interest of half year, it's 4,400 rupees. So the total amount is 88,000 and 4,400. So total 92,400 rupees. It's a total amount of 1.5 years. Now same things, but it's a half yearly, same principal, same rate of interest and same time period 1.5 year. So see, in principal E equals to 80,000 rupees, time period it's a 1.5 year, that means 3 years, compounded half yearly. So here 1.5, that means 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 by 2 and it's a half. तो मीन्स उससे हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, सो 2 कट हो जाएंगे, दैट मीन्स वो 3 years का हमें फाइंड करना है. एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इट्स गिवन दैट 10%. Look student, if given that compounded half yearly, then rate of interest we have to do half. So 10% half, it's 5%. Now count on amount. It's a formula same, amount A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n power. If we put the value in this formula, so the answer is 80,000 bracket 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to 3 power. So 25 is 100, so 1 by 20 and it's simplify with the plus 1, so 21 ja 20 plus 1 21 upon 20 and raised to 3 power, that means 80,000 multi 21 upon 20, it's write 3 times. So here we write it's a 3 time 21 upon 20, 21 upon 20 and 21 upon 20. So the simplification is 92,000 610 rupees. Now difference in both amount, first here we find 92,400 rupees, and second compounded its half yearly amount is 92,610. So the difference is 210 rupees. Now next question, question number 7. Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum, compounded annually. Find the amount created against her name at the end of the second year, and the second things the interest for the third year. So first here we find the amount. A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 is to n power. Same formula here we apply. Now value of P, principal 8,000 rupees is given, and rate of interest 5% here, and time period it's a 2 year. Now if we put the value, then the answer become 8,820 rupees. It's a amount. Now afterward, in second point, the interest for the third year is principal P equals to 8,000, and rate of interest equals to 5%, and time period is 3 years now. So amount equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 is to n power. Same formula here we apply, and if we put the value, same things are that, but only power is changed, time period is changed. In previous first point, here we write power 2 means 2 years, and here we have to find the 3 years. So here we write 3 power. Now it's a simplest form, 25 is a 100, so 1 by 20 here we write. So 1 plus 1 by 20, that means 21 upon 20 raised to 3 power, and it's a multiply by 8,000. Now it's a simplification, that 9,261 rupees amount of 3 years, and 8,820 rupees its amount for 2 years. Now the difference of both is third year interest is 441 rupees more than the second year. मीन्स फर्स्ट हमने स्टूडेंट्स 2 इयर्स का अमाउंट फाइंड किया, वो हमें मिल रहा है 8,820 रुपीज़, और 3 इयर्स के लिए जो हमने अमाउंट फाइंड किया वो हमें मिल रहा है 9,261. तो मीन्स इससे ए जो अमाउंट है वो ज़्यादा है. तो मीन्स कितना ज़्यादा है, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, दोनों को डिफरेंस, मीन्स दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे, तो वो है 441 रुपीज़.